Welcome to Wolfe Cadillac. Today we'll be looking at this 2016 Ford Super Duty F-350 SRW XL. Comes in a race red exterior color with a black interior. This is a 4-door pickup truck, seats 5. Carries a 6.7 liter turbo diesel Power Stroke 8-cylinder engine with a 6-speed automatic transmission. Making our way into the interior of the front now, you have your power folding and power sliding side mirrors. That's just this button here to slide it in and out. Power folding side mirror button there with memory seat controls. Auto window for the front and power rear windows. Nice big speaker just to the right, all along here. You get 2 different levels of storage compartments on your door panel. Door panel comes in a black color. You have your Sony logo speaker just at the top. Both front seats are powered in a black leather with lumbar support and headrest adjustments. Black leather wrapped steering wheel. You have your cruise control and menu selection on the left side. Right side is your media control as well as voice control. Power or park brake is just down at the left hand side. Air vents on, you have 4 air vents, sorry. Analog center dash with a digital screen in the center. This truck is a turnkey to start. You just got to put your foot down on the brake. Turn the key. It tells you right there what kind of diesel fuel you should be using, the ultra low sulfur. Touchscreen infotainment screen in the center console. You have your Bluetooth just up top. You have AM, FM radio with Sirius XM. You can use your CD and USB as well. Touchscreen climate controls with heated and air-cooled front seats. This truck also comes with navigation. Nice map there as well. CD player just at the underneath. Volume and menu selectors. Climate controls just at the bottom. Got your 2-wheel drive and 4-wheel drive controls here, as well as traction control. 4 cup holders just at the front. Black leather wrapped center console. You have your change holder, and this can just come out. Very large center console space as well. Nice thing here at the back, you have storage for your cards, a couple pens as well. You can have your tissue holder as well. Rear view mirror. Nice sunglass compartment as well with overhead lighting on either side. Universal garage opener just at the top. Nice big sun visor with an illuminated vanity mirror as well. Same with the front passenger. Illuminated and comes as a sun visor. You also have a nice sunroof for the 2 front seats, as well as a manual shade that you can open and close. This truck is also fitted with a backup camera. Making our way around the left-hand side of the vehicle, we'll start off with the 22-inch Ford rims on winter tires. You have your F-350 badging as well as your Power Stroke badge on the sides. Blacked side mirrors with your integrated turn signal. You have your keypad as well as your color-matched handle grip. Black run boards on either side, capped diesel gas tank as well. You have your trailer hitch and power cords down at the bottom. Latch and backup camera just around the logo. You have your handle that pops right out to give you assist to get into the rear of the truck. You also have your bars along the truck bed. Truck bed itself is plastered in the hard plastic to help protect it again when you're sliding stuff in and out. Making our way into the rear of the vehicle, you have the black door panels. Lots of extra storage space as well down at the bottom with a speaker just up top. All the rear seats are heated. Rear seats come in a black leather as well. You have your center console, folds right down. Gives you 2 extra cup holders and an armrest. Power bank with your cigarette starter. 2 vents on either side. Access to the cup holders up top, as well as a storage compartment down at the bottom. Leather magazine holders at the rear of both front seats. You have overhead lighting and hooks just in your ceiling. This truck is also fitted with a full set of all-weather rubber liners. Going around the right-hand side now, you have your dual exhaust coming around here. You have your wheel wells with the black extensions. You also have the little sun visors above all 4 windows. Antenna just in front of the front passenger door. This truck comes with command start. Nice chromed grille with the badge in the center. Front license plate cover as well as extra tow hitches. If there's anything else you'd like to know about this vehicle, check us out at our website at wolfecadillac.com or visit us at our dealership here in Edmonton, Alberta over on Stony Plain Rd. As always, thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe.